Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Fatal Dead Error or D3D Error. So I don't know what that error is, but so the Chainsaw Fatal D3D or Dead Error is Resident Evil 4 usually occurs due to issues with the game's graphics settings or outdated graphics drivers. So here are some steps that you can take to fix this error. First, update your graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, so for example the NVIDIA, AMD, and download the latest drivers compatible with your system. Install the drivers and restart your computer before launching the game again. Check the game's graphic settings. Launch the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Make sure the settings are appropriate for your system's capabilities. Try lowering the resolution, disabling anti-aliasing, or reducing other graphics options to lighten the load of your GPU. Run the game in compatibility mode. Right-click on the Resident Evil 4 executable file, usually named bio4.exe, select Properties, go to Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode for choose an older version or of Windows from the drop-down menu and click Apply to save the changes. Launch the game and see if the error persists. Disable overlays and third-party software. Some overlays or third-party software can conflict with the game's graphics rendering. Disable any overlays such as Discord overlay, GeForce Experience overlay, or any other software that may be running in the background. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on the Resident Evil 4 in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing game files and replace them. Reinstall the game. If none of the above or the previous steps work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Resident Evil 4. This process can help ensure that all game files are properly installed and not corrupted. So the last thing that you can do is to contact support. If the error persists, it is advisable to reach out to the game's official support channels. Provide them with the detailed information about the error, including any error codes or messages, and the steps you have already taken to troubleshoot. They may be able to provide further assistance or recommend specific solutions. So by following these steps, you should be able to address the Chainsaw Fatal D3D or Dead Error in Resident Evil 4. Remember to keep your graphics drivers up to date and adjust the game settings to optimize performance on your system. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!